Come to Team One and get this Chevy Malibu 2014 for $45,000, $200 a month.
Or come to Team One and get this 2014 Chevy Tahoe for $50,000 base price and $300 a month.
This car has the options of DVD player, automatic window, four-wheel drive, plush leather seats, sunroof, and a bumping radio. We have this Ford 500 for base price $25,199 a month.
This nice Chevy Impala, which you can get for a good price of $25,000 or $189 a month. The Chevy Impala comes with radio, heated seats, OnStar, and a sunroof. The sticker price of this car is the base price plus the options plus the destination charge, which for this particular car is $150. Here's the keys to your new car.
Oh my God, I cannot believe this! A new car from Team One! I can't wait to drive it! Oh, oh my God! It smells just like new leather!
Come down to Team One and get any of these nice cars. Here's your new car.
Oh my God, I can't believe it! A new car from Team One!